Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the different types of licenses available for enterprise and individuals in Tableau. In this video, we are going to understand the approximate prices of each license in Tableau and uses of each license. Hey, it's your friend Srikanth Irvizla, who is a Tableau trainer and consultant on Tableau. And today you and I are talking about different types of licenses available in Tableau. So let's jump right in. For every deployment, we require at least one creator license. And in Tableau, we have three different types of licenses for enterprise level. So coming to creator license, this license is required for a system administrator or a server administrator who is going to design, clean and curate the data sources with others who will analyze and govern the data. So for this Tableau creator license, we are going to get Tableau server or Tableau cloud access, and along with that we are going to get a Tableau prep and Tableau desktop. The Tableau creator license is designed for the users who can create content and as well who can maintain the server duties also. Coming to the second license, which is a Tableau Explorer license. This license is specifically for the users who are going to develop dashboards in Tableau, or going to add some of the basic admin duties like adding users, giving permissions, and during the refreshes. All these functionalities in the server can be done by the Tableau Explorer license. And along with this license, user is going to get a Tableau desktop. Tableau creator license is required for the Tableau developers who are going to develop the visualizations and get the data sources into the Tableau desktop. We also have these uses which are used for the in the line of business for create use for the in the line of business for creating different types of visualizations for business. And finally, we have a Tableau viewer license which can be used for multiple users in the organization who are requesting for the access to the published dashboards, wherein they can interact, drill down and apply filters in the developed dashboards. However, Tableau viewers will not be able to develop the dashboards, but they can interact with the dashboards. So these are the different types of licenses available for the enterprise level. Coming to the individual levels, only Tableau creator license is available. So along with the creator license, and for a deployment, we need at least one creator. That's why for individuals, we'll get a creator license wherein the user can access either for the Tableau server or the client, which is Tableau online. Along with that, he'll also get Tableau desktop plus Tableau prep. So these are the different options available for the individuals. And after this, let's see what are the different prices and approximated prices of each license for the enterprise level. So these are the costs of the enterprise level licenses. And let's move on to the next, which is Tableau online licenses for the enterprise level. Here are the approximate costs of the licenses for the enterprise level, which is for Tableau online. And the third one, next one is for the individuals. It is same as the Tableau server price for the individuals. These are the different options available for each license, and I am providing the link to the same so that you can purchase the license or explore more on the details of the licenses. That's all for this video. Let's meet up again to learn another interesting topic on Tableau. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any doubts on Tableau in the comment section below. Until next video, happy visualizing. Thank you.